Hello all, my name is Blanca Beltran. I am the Director of FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency. I am here to declare a state of emergency in New York City, in specific, Manhattan. Manhattan has a population of 1.6 million, and 1 million of the citizens have now been infected with what we are calling a zombie apocalypse. Biohazard waste was put into the water, causing this contamination, creating a very terrible illness. We were notified of this mutation in humans on April 25th, 2021 at about 15:30. Since then, we have had many more contaminated individuals. About 1 million of the citizens of Manhattan are infected, with a total of 1.6 population. We want to bring this to your guys' awareness so you guys are taking the proper precautions. I know that these news are very frightening, but I assure you that we are taking everything and doing everything that we can to provide safety and shelter for the non-contaminated individuals. We are asking all individuals to remain in the home and to limit travel. There are going to be shelters provided by the National Guard at 1500 West Jefferson Street to provide medical supplies, food, and housing. The shelters are being protected by the National Guard, ensuring the safety of all individuals. We are asking you guys to take all precautions that are being stated, and if any further questions are needed, you may call the National Disaster Hotline at 1-800-777-2222. Our objective is to keep the non-contaminated individuals safe and healthy. We are keeping track of and attempting to keep track of all of the contaminated individuals so we can inform family members. The CDC is working on something to help with this contamination. We are unsure of how the biohazardous waste got into the water. We are working on that as well. We are recommending that nobody drink out of the tap water and attempt to limit showers, as we don't know if that can cause contamination. Like I have stated, we are all working on this matter to ensure safety and restoration of water to your family. We are looking into getting Air Force to drop off food, medical supplies, and water to certain spots of the city. Although we are trying to figure out how to do that safely, and we will communicate that to you as soon as there is an update. You are not alone, Manhattan. We are here to ensure that your safety is our priority. We are asking that all individuals tonight at the time of 1800 go on to the rooftop so we can have a head count of how many non-contaminated individuals there are, so we can provide safety and a route to bring you guys out of Manhattan without creating more contamination. We hope that you guys are all staying safe, and we are going to be providing more updates periodically, so stay tuned for more updated news. Thank you so much.